Good day, New York, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing 4th Avenue, a nice place. This is where 4th Avenue begins, guys. Before we leave, let me show where I am. So this is 4th Avenue, Astor Place. And again, unlike the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd Avenue, its counterparts, this is the smallest avenue in New York City. One more time. Right now it's about 4 o'clock, and the sun is really good. It's about 90 degrees, close. Astor Place, 4th Avenue. And this is where 4th Avenue begins, guys. And we begin the journey now. So first, like I said before, unlike its counterparts, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd Avenue, 4th Avenue is the smallest one out of the all of the avenues. Then you got the 5th Avenue, which is separate from the 1, 2, 3, and yeah. So besides from 5th Avenue, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd Avenue are the longest ones. The 4th Avenue is the smallest one. Now, a lot of people think that 4th Avenue doesn't exist. It does exist, but in a very short way. Coming up at 4th Avenue, 9th Street. Now, 5th Avenue is again, it's like its counterparts. 1st, 2nd, and 3rd Avenue. 5th Avenue is long too, guys. It's really long. Then you got 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th Avenue, which are like kind of medium size. Rubber bumps. So again, you got 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, and I think it's 12th Avenue, which are the longest ones. One more time. 1st Avenue, 2nd Avenue, 3rd Avenue, 5th Avenue, and 12th Avenue are the longest ones. 12th Avenue being the longest one of all the avenues here in New York City. Now, and the smallest one is 4th Avenue. You got 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th, and 11th Avenue, which are like medium types. I'll show you in my future videos when I do them. Those are like the medium types, so they don't go all the way. They don't go all the way. Coming up at 4th Avenue, 10th Street. So now, to summarize this, 4th Avenue is the smallest one. The medium ones are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And the long one is 12th Avenue. That is a longest avenue here in New York City. It is April 15, 26. Builders. Coming up at 4th Avenue, 11th Street. And that's the United States Post Office. And that is my other flag up there. And a little note, guys. Between all these avenues, there's 3 of them that are not numbered. They're names, not numbered. So between all these avenues, you got Madison, Park Avenue, and Lexington. Those are between the avenues, so those are not numbers, those are names. It's only 3 of them, but those 3 are also very long, man. Just like 1st, 2nd, and 3rd Avenue. That's how long they are. I will do those at the end when I finish all of the avenues. Number avenues. Now, when I say 12th Avenue is long, I mean it's long, but none of these avenues compares to Broadway. That thing is a huge monster, all the way up from Battery Park all the way to the other end of the tip of Manhattan. That is big. That is a long, long avenue, guys. Broadway is the longest avenue here in New York City. That one's gonna take me a while, like I said. I'm gonna take that in chunks because literally that's what it's gonna be. That's what it's gonna be. A couple of chunks. Spanish latte. Whoa. Okay guys, coming up at 4th Avenue, 13th Street. Heading north. Again, out of all the number avenues, this one is the smallest one. By far. So as you can see, we're coming up ahead real fast on 14th Street and 4th Avenue. So we'll be heading back down again south on the other side of the street because this is where 14th Street ends or begins, whichever one you want, you know, start from. So this is where 4th Avenue ends, and across the street you got Park Avenue. So that's the beginning of Park Avenue from here all the way down northbound. Coming up on 4th Avenue, 14th Street. And now we gotta go back down south. Back there is Union Square, or as I call it, Onion Square. Ha ha, funny. Now we cross the street. And again, this is the end for 4th Avenue. All this here is the end for 4th Avenue. Across the street, that's where Park Avenue begins, back there. That street back there, 4th Avenue, Park Avenue. Now we go back south on 4th Avenue again. This should be no more than 15-16 minutes, guys. So you could say this is like the baby avenue of New York City. Back in the corner, guys, there. Hey, remember that? That's when I did the 13th Street from east to west. You see that clock up there? It's still functional, still active. Coming up at 4th Avenue, 13th Street, heading south. Man, going in. This is the Hyatt Onion Square. You can see that guy's that design. It says up there, True North. Let me show you a little bit. The building is not bad either. Got that true north.
I noticed that there are
Coming up at 4th Avenue, 12th Street. So basically, 4th Avenue is based only on 7 blocks, guys. 7 blocks. 8th Street to 14th Street. I'm back again. Gargoyle. I'm not going to eat. I'm mad right now. You okay? Oh, sorry, coming up at 4th Avenue and 11th Street. So this one doesn't, that's not one here, but it's right there in the corner. 4th Avenue, 11th Street, heading south. Coming up at 4th Avenue, 10th Street, heading south. Okay, coming up at 4th Avenue, 10th Street, also known as Wanamaker Place. Now, if you noticed, now you have a division back in the middle. So 4th Avenue started back there, but it divides. There's divided here. There's 2 streets back there, and this one to the right is still 4th Avenue. Wegmans. Yeah, about 15 minutes, guys. It's not long, like I said. Wow. Another Wegmans? Oh, I thought we were together. They're separately. Okay, guys, we're coming to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. And as always, I will see you some more time. This is 4th Avenue, 8th Street, or also Lafayette, because Lafayette starts back there, but it's also you know, with 4th Avenue, as you can see back there. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you some more in time. Bye.